Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Sims 4 on your laptop for free and safely. I know a lot of you have been asking for this, so I'm excited to share my tips with you. First things first, you're going to want to go to a website called Origin. It's the official platform for EA games, which includes The Sims. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. Next, you'll need to download the Origin client. This is what you'll use to actually download and play the game. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up and sign into your account. Now, here's the fun part, finding The Sims 4. You can either search for it in the search bar or browse through the Games tab. Once you've found it, click on Download and wait for it to finish. One thing to keep in mind is that while The Sims 4 base game is free to download, there are additional expansion packs and DLCs that you may want to purchase. These aren't necessary to play the game, but they do add more content and features. And that's it. See, I told you it was easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you have any other tutorial requests, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.